Morning. That was a tight fit. Big old maple this morning to do. She's ready to go. Look at this. Truck barely fits. That's it. Wood's gotta go. Everything's gotta go. Let's get fired up, see what we can do here. It's a pack job. Yep. Now I'll throw them up there. Alright, we're hooked up to Johnny. Yep, take her away. Tight squeeze, man, tight squeeze. No access for the log trailer, obviously. Everything's getting packed out. Old B's completely packed. Ronyo's trailer's packed. We got another trailer over there for Johnny. We might have to pack that too. Nice and careful over the garden. Last big bitch coming out of here. Good thing old Johnny got in here. She just fit through here. We got all the wood staged over there, the rest that didn't fit. I'll come back and get that with lifter. Dice this up and that'll be that. Blow it off and get the heck out of here. I gotta load everything up. Catch you guys on the next one.